Hi guys, Agent Relius, and thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Just want to make a quick video on Trump Mania. This just released a few hours ago. I personally know some of the people within this group, and it's been an amazing fair launch. It was no pre-sale, no gimmicks, no nothing, just straight launch, and it's been amazing. So we've been up 2,420% already. We're seeing a little bit of a sell, which we do expect, guys. I mean, like, who's not going to take profit on these type of increases? So for example, we saw a little pullback here and we saw one up here, and that's relatively normal. Guys, remember, this hasn't even reached coin market cap or coin gecko. So when that gets there, obviously there's going to be more advertisements, more YouTubers are going to be talking about this, and we have, or they have, two top tier exchanges that this is going to be listed on. This is very new. The market cap is under $10 million, and the supply, guys, the supply is low, 1 billion. It's very low for a meme project, so everybody knows where this is going. I predict that this is probably gonna head all the way to the 0.03 mark, which will be incredible. That's way up here. But obviously, guys, always proceed with caution. Take a look at the project, look at the contract. In my opinion, this is going to be a great project, and this could be a blue chip as far as the meme world goes. Take care, guys, and make sure you subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Have a good day.